out the back, come out the back.
Oh, that's a nice fish. He's taking one.
Okay, fine. Just gonna have to roll around these lines. Come on.
I'm going to try and get him to this side. See if he can turn his left. This is a nice fish. You can see him.
Yeah.
Fucking just netted me. Did you get that on the GoPro?
Yeah.
He's netting his fishing buddy. Okay, let me get him over here.
Okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, baby. Holy shit, Dustin.
That's what I'm talking about right there, boys.
Yeah, baby.
NorCal fishermen, nice big fish here. Big trout, Eagle Lake strain. Scott, that's a big one. Nice job, Tim. Over and out.
God, that's